Good afternoon, class. I'm your teacher, Ms.Mac, and I'll be teaching secondary math grades 9 through 12. Today's objective is learning how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Let's get started. So, the quadratic equation is as follows. ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then it's a linear equation. We no longer can use the quadratic equation. So, the quadratic formula is as shown. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. So let's check out this first example. Example 1. 9x squared minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. Let's figure out what a, b, and c are. So, in this equation, a will be equal to 9, b is equal to negative 9, and c is equal to 2. You can figure this out by comparing this equation with the standard equation for the quadratic formula. So, let's plug a, b, and c to this formula. So x is equal to negative b. So our b is already negative, so what we're going to do is put this in parentheses. So negative, from here, negative 9 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So again, this negative 9 squared minus 4 times a, 9, times c, 2, all over 2 times a, which is 9. Okay, we're good so far? So, the next step that we do is evaluate. X is equal to negative times negative 9 is going to be positive 9 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So, negative 9 squared is going to be negative 9 times negative 9, which is 81, minus, bring the minus down, 4 times 9 is 36, times 2 is 72. So 81 minus 72 divided by 2 times 9 is 18. Now, let's evaluate a little bit more. So bring it down, 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 72 is 9. So the square root of 9 divided by 18. So you're going to get two solutions for a quadratic equation because you have to first say plus, then you have to say minus. So let's separate the two. So x is equal to 9 plus square root over 9 divided by 18, and then x is equal to 9 minus square root over 9 divided by 18. First things first, make sure you simplify the square root if you can. So the first thing you're going to do is say x is equal to 9 plus square root of 9 is 3, so plus 3 over 18. So, what's 9 plus 3? 9 plus 3 is 12. So 12 over 18. Can this be simplified even more? Yes. So, you can simplify this by half. So, divided by 2, which is equal to 6 over 9, right? And then you can simplify this by dividing it by 3, which is equal to 2/3. The next one, same thing. So x is equal to 9 minus 3 over 18, which is equal to 6 over 18, which is equal to 1/3. These are your two answers, your two solutions. 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. We're all set.